A very good morning to all of you. आत्म नमस्ते आप सभी को. My dear soul, spiritual seedler. Let's start with today's session of day 4. गहरी लंबी सांस लीजिए और आज हमारा फोकस रहेगा टूवर्ड्स और सोलर प्लेक्सस चक्र. The more we will be connected with the spiritual self, the more we will be aligned with our solar plexus. गहरी लंबी सांस लीजिए और अपने सोलर प्लेक्सस आपकी नेवल आपकी नाभि से 3 उंगली ऊपर, नेवल से 3 उंगली ऊपर, जहां आपका अपर एब्डोमेन आता है वहां पर, पेट का ऊपर का हिस्सा, देयर इज योर solar plexus is associated. Close your eyes. Be very gentle with your own self. Be focused, be aligned, and connect with your spiritual chakra now. The element chakra for your solar plexus is fire. If you want, you can keep your hands on your solar plexus. Be a comfortable person, sit comfortably, and keep any of your hand or your subconscious mind towards your solar plexus, नाभि के 3 अंगुल ऊपर, ऊपरी ऊपरी हिस्सा आपके पेट का, वहां ध्यान कीजिए. हर गहरी सांस के साथ आपका एक डीप कनेक्शन वहां पर जुड़ता जा रहा है. हैव अ डीप कनेक्शन in every single breath with your solar plexus. Imagine a fire, a yellow fire on your solar plexus is burning. एक पीले रंग की अग्नि आपके नाभि के 3 इंच ऊपर, 3 उंगल ऊपर, आपके अपर एब्डोमेन में जल रही है. मानो ये एक यज्ञ कुंड हो. ध्यान से देखने पर इस अग्नि के फूल, फायर फ्लावर के, आपको 10 पेटल, 10 पंखुड़ियां नजर आएंगी. गहरी लंबी सांस लीजिए और बोलिए रम. एक और बार गहरी लंबी सांस और बोलिए रम. एक और बार। रम। 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 आपके सोलर प्लेक्सस का प्लैनेटरी एसोसिएशन सन एंड मार्स के साथ होता है। If you have any malefic connections in your horoscope related with Sun and Mars, आप उसको क्लेंस कर सकते हैं via this meditation. If you have problem in seeing, if you have sight problems, if you have something with your eyes, you can heal your eyes with this meditation. गहरा उतरते जाएं और हर गहरी सांस के साथ मन ही मन रम 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 रम। इसे अपने अंदर ही अंदर चलने दें। Manipur chakra, solar plexus, is also known as Manipur, city of jewels, because the seat of personal power stays here. If your solar plexus goes perfectly, you'll have a perfect self confidence, personal power, willpower, leadership qualities, मनी एक्शन एंड सक्सेस ड्राइव्स डिसिप्लिन आपका बढ़ जाता है. You have a very good leadership quality. You have discipline. You have healthy or unhealthy ego within you based on your solar plexus. Manifestation through your action brings with your solar chakra. In your physical body, you will have connection of your solar chakra with organs and systems like stomach and digestion, liver and pancreas, small intestine, metabolism, muscles and core strength. If you have some sort of common physical issues like acidity, ulcer, diabetes, fatty liver, IBS, weak digestion, or chronic fatigue, you can heal yourself with this meditation of Ram, 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 Ram. Solar plexus will also help you in your money and chakra power. If you have problem with the money in your life, this solar plexus will help you with your career. आप अपने करियर में क्या चाहते हैं, इंटेंशन आप डालें और अपने सोलर प्लेक्सस को मसाज कर सकते हैं, या आपको बिजनेस कॉन्फिडेंस, एक्शन टेकिंग अप्रोच, चार्जिंग मनी विदाउट गिल्ट और अथॉरिटी एज हीलर एंड टीचर सक्सेसफुल माइंडसेट देगा. इफ यू आर अ स्पिरिचुअल पर्सन, इफ यू आर अ स्पिरिचुअल हीलर, और अगर आपका सोलर प्लेक्सस वीक है, तो आपको अपने आप को फियर होगा अपनी प्राइसिंग के लिए. आप अपना प्राइस सेट नहीं कर पाओगे, आप अपना विजन सेट नहीं कर पाओगे, आप विजिबिलिटी आपकी स्ट्रांग नहीं रहेगी, आपका पावर. इनफैक्ट योर gut is also connected with your solar plexus. In emotional and mental places, your confidence, your self discipline, your motivation, your charismatic approach, strong boundaries, and natural leadership quality, everything is governed and ruled by your solar plexus. With every deep breath, make every single statement stronger in your life. Say, I release my low self esteem. I release fear of judgment. I release procrastination. I release victim mentality. I release lack of direction. I release people pleasing. I release ego issues. I release my dominating nature. I release anger. I release control obsession. I release over workaholism. I release burned out techniques. I release My karma related with power abuse. I release my past life leadership trauma. With every breath, release all those things. I release punishment in past lives, authority fears. I release success, guilt, karma. I am powerful and I take confident action. Foods you have to use today to balance your solar plexus is lemon, ginger, turmeric milk, yellow fruits like banana, pineapple, whole grains you can eat, and honey. My solar plexus is opening. My solar plexus is opening. My solar plexus is opening. I have strong urge to take actions. My business ideas are flowing. My confidence is boosted. I am a person with a digestive improvement. I am happy and have desire to lead, teach, and speak what I love to do. I release anger. If you ever felt you are powerless, you can't take action, you fear success, or if you feel like you have to control each and everything in your life, heal yourself and repeat this statement after me. I am confident and powerful. I take bold, inspired action. My inner fire guides me. I deserve success and wealth. My digestion and metabolism are perfect. I lead with divine authority. Take deep breath in and say Ram, 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 ram. Show me both of your hands and say ram, 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 ram. Put your hands down. Ram, 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 ram. Those who are watching on YouTube, re- repeat this statement. I receive, I claim all the positive energies from this video. Ram, 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 rum, 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 rum। धीरे धीरे शांत होते जाएं और गहरा उच्चारण करते जाएं। हाथ नीचे कर लीजिए। रम, 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 रम। Now only from your solar plexus chant this rum, not with lips, not with voice, only with your solar plexus. आपके solar plexus से इसका आवाज आना चाहिए. Feel the vibration in your solar plexus and listen this rum coming from your solar plexus. Rum, 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 rum. Feel this vibration within you, and after a minute, open your eyes.